Alright, so check it out. I've got another tournament today. This one's a little bit different. This is all you can catch. Any size over 12 inches counts. And it's for Pond Warrior. And so we're fishing any type of pond that is 100 acres or less. So I don't know if I'm going to do well in this one or not. I don't know a lot of people with private ponds because they're letting private ponds go, pay for play, any of that stuff. So I'm out at the Hilochi WMA on their biggest pond, which is Lake Pete's, 25 acres. It has probably the most fish and the biggest fish. I think this is my best shot at winning this. I could go up and fish the other pond where I could catch 50 fish, no problem. The only issue with catching those 50 fish is they're all gonna be like 10 inches long. So we're gonna try this pond, we're gonna give it a shot. I think I'm gonna need to catch 20 to 30 fish to win today. But more importantly, I just wanna have some fun. And if I can get into second place, or I think second place pays out. Yeah, but I've also got this smaller pond back here I can try out too, so I'm gonna try this one. If I don't have luck here, then I'm gonna move on. Now, there are some guys here fishing in a canoe who beat me here, and I just heard them pull one in. So the fish are biting. So let's get rigged up and get out there and see what we can do. There's the first fish. There's a big one here. Oh, he's gotta stay off. Stay off, baby. Open your mouth, come on. Open up. Gotcha. Alright. There's always one in this little pocket right here. Hooked in there. Get you one tangled. It's a good fish. Okay. Beautiful heavy 17-incher to start the day off with. Perfect. He's not big. As long as it makes 12 inches, that's all that matters. Incher. I don't know if this guy's big enough. Oh yeah, it is. Come here. Little 12-incher or 13-incher. Get off this edge because I think they're right up on it. Oh, these guys will keep running right at me. I don't think this guy's hooked very good. I gotta get him in quick. A little dude, but he counts. They caught. Well, we both know we aren't going anywhere. A 15.5 incher. Alright, so I submitted those first 5 fish. And we're on to the next 5. I think I'm going to need about 20 to even come close to having a chance to win today. I saw some of the stats from the previous tournament that they did, and some of these guys are pulling like 40 fish. And some of them are big too, a lot of 19 inchers. So we got to make something happen here. Doing good though. I'm pretty proud of what I'm doing right now. Got 5 in. Only been out here about an hour. Ugh. Alright, beautiful 19 1/4. Great fish. Okay, so here's the deal right now. I'm in second place with 107 inches. First place has 195, and his biggest fish is only 15, almost 16 inches. So some dude is out there on the East Coast right now just killing it. And there's nothing I can really do except just keep fishing. I think it's going to take 500 to 700 inches to win this thing. And that guy is just on fire right now. So I haven't even made it halfway around the lake yet. And I've caught 7 fish. And I'm sitting at over 100 inches, so that's good. So now I just need to, find another 10 or 15 fish. There we go. Right at the boat again. Big one. It's a good fish. It's another big fish. Oh, okay, that works. That works too. Look at that toad. That's probably a 6-pounder. Oh man, she got like through spine. That hurts. Wow, no way. There's no way she's just under 4 or just under 5. It's way bigger. It's way bigger than that. Stop flipping around, girl. She's gotta be way bigger than that. Look how heavy she is. Alright. There she goes. Decision to make, because right now I'm getting smoked. I'm in 3rd place. I have 145 inches. First place has about 225, and there's a 2nd place guy at 180. So I need to figure out what to do here. I can either, the fishing here is good. I'm just not catching the numbers I need, and the fact that I've got 2 other guys here fishing the lake with me, cool dudes. It's I talked to them a little bit. It makes this hard. So I gotta decide what to do. Now there's a smaller lake down here that I definitely want to try. Give it a shot, see what happens. I don't need size, even though I've got 2 really nice fish in the boat today. I just need numbers. I need more overall length. Captain's log. We've made it. A total of about 35 feet. I can't imagine why nobody would want to come fish this pond. I can't, I just can't. Like the amazingly easy access out here makes no sense whatsoever. If I don't catch anything out here, I'm gonna be rather ticked off at myself. Not at anything else, just myself. I'm also talking and trying to make some noise, just in case the alligator decides to show up or is out here. Oh my gosh, almost there. All aboard the struggle bus. Oops, come on. Oh, this part sucks. Oh, shoot, that is deep. Wow, that is deep. Okay. That's not what I was expecting. Maybe we can pull. Alright, maybe I can pull myself with this grass. Yep. Alright, we made it. Good news is it should be easier leaving than it was coming. This is deep here. I did see a few fish jump, and I think one hit the bottom of my boat. This pond is nowhere near as big as the other one. I forgot my glasses again. Alright, decision made. I'm not seeing many fish in here. I think the ones that are in here are probably catfish, maybe. We're gonna make a run to some ponds. We're gonna do some pond hopping, boots on the ground style. So, obviously, I've lost about an hour and a half or so, and the guys who are out in the lead are over 300 inches right now, so they got more than double what I have. So at this point, I don't think I'm gonna win this, and that's okay. I'm okay with not winning this. I just want to place top 10. I feel like I have that ability to do it, but it's this pond and one other that I think I can get some fish out of. No bites, a couple little ones, that's it. We're moving. There's people fishing here, and people were fishing here earlier. They just left, so I might be screwed. There we go. It's good fish. Really good fish. Like, he ain't gonna help me win this tournament. Would if I got like 5 or 6 of these. There's another big fish spoiler over there. I just can't lose this guy. This is a 4 or 5 pounder here. Okay. Let's get him on the ow, he bit me. Let's get him on the board. Now we can get you back in there. A storm rolling in, so I'm gonna make 1 or 2 more casts, hopefully get 1 or 2 more fish, and then that's probably gonna do it for me, unless it's I have one more pond I can go to that's south of here. Right, you can feel the rain coming in, so I'm gonna make 1 cast, 1 good cast. You can see the storm over there kind of just brewing. Should have came here first instead of whatever community park. Do you see one follow with it? Yeah, he's little. Try this again. Huh. All right, storm's here. Let's get out of here. So, I think my day's done. It was fun, you know, the Pond Warrior Challenge. It's something different. I mean, it's a catch all you can, total length, and I was the only guy signed up from Florida, so I tried repping it pretty hard. But short of a miracle, I don't think there's any way I'm going back out today. We got thunderstorms rolling in. It's windy and it's rainy. The guys that are in like first and second place have double what I have right now. I probably should have just gone straight to downtown Orlando and hopped around to the little lakes and ponds I know there, and I think that probably would have been more beneficial. I did catch some awesome fish today, so I'm pretty happy about that. I don't think I'm going to make top 10 in this tournament. That's okay, there's others to be had, and really can't control the weather, and I'd rather be home and safe than out in that crap. So, I might be out next weekend. I'm not 100% sure. I still got the monthly thing to do. I want to hit up Shingle Creek and get down into some dirty areas if I can't find some big fish like I caught today. We'll see what happens, but you know, I guess until next time, catch you guys.